What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am bringing you a fire project today, all right? It's Nvir, and it is incredible. NvirWorld is going to be probably one of the biggest things in the future of the NFT market space. I've got some trailers to show you, some incredible things to show you, so let's get straight in. After this disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Do this for educational purposes only. I do it so I can hang out, make cool videos, and get them on your radar. Let's roll the video. Here we go, guys, and the first thing I want you to do is watch this little trailer, all right? I love this already. Talking about the NvirWorld 2.0 launch. This is the future. This is what they're saying, the world's first layer 2, all right? Creating all the different kind of NFT projects that we need to see getting back in the world, right? Quality service, community transparency. There's Kim Won-young. That's his profile, all right, showing you what it looks like when he's got the NFTs. It's a really nice design, a bit more classy to the NFT market space, all right? New normal lift, new cultured. It's got their top picks. I'm gonna get in deep now and show you all about this. Okay, guys, so tell me more, George. All right, it's NvirWorld.com. All right, links are gonna be down below. Quick overview of their website, all right? They've got their ecosystem, Banco Nverse at the top, NHub, Nvir Market, NWX roadmap, FAQs, and the events, all right? You can see what's going on and the close and their pool. This is their symbol, this is their token, all right? It's 8th generation Hall of Fame. It's got that event going on right now, which we're going to talk about. So it's new play to earn. All right, it's the new normal. What they're actually trying to do is build a holistic blockchain ecosystem leading up to the mainnet powered by CBDC technology and aim to define the layer 3 standards. All right, it's all planned to be coming into next year in 2023. Now, it's going to be listed on gate.io October 4th. So from when I've recorded this, it's on October 4th. If it's that already, get on there and have a look, all right? You can actually check in the time zone if you go onto the gate. The link down below is there as well, all right? I just want you to know there is various projects ongoing and developing within this ecosystem, all right? And the roadmap shows you most of it. Now, the coin must be included in all of your portfolios, all right? It's got to be in there. That's my opinion, not financial advice, but this coin has got to be in your portfolio if you want to get to the stages that we got to before in crypto, all right? This is that one. Now, it's topped in all 3 of exchanges, all right, as the highest gainer within the last 24 hours. Massive, all right? Absolutely massive. On September 20th, to be exact, it got officially listed on MEX, MEXK, all right, Bitmart, LBank, and topped all 3 of them. Now you can see here, going through the Bankoverse, click here to go in NHub, Nvir Market. I want to have a look at the little club. All right, so this is the club they've got, all right? Look at the cool ass NFTs. What's special about this? You get the premium NFTs. You can actually get the donations from it, the Enground Treasure Island. It's got the play to earn universe, all right? So we're getting into the play to earn side. Trendsetters of the digital universe, going through these club NFTs. And the new crew introduction. Remember, this is a launch. Now, going through the roadmap. The first airdrop is going to be 1,000 out of 10,000. Next, we're going on to 1,000 out of 10,000, which is 20% unlocked. Carrying on all the way through to 2022 port 3, where it will be 6,000 out of 10,000. Once we get past that, we actually have the lockup release and the distribution, service launch, and then the service launch. Look at this. This keeps going. They do not stop, all right? So get on there, do your own research. The links are down below. Let's get back to the main website. So back on here, you can see right now we have a total of 175,551, all right? That's incredible. We've already burnt over 90,000 rewards of 82,000. You can see it here. What I like is the donation is actually quite big. The donation side is popular. Okay, guys, carrying on talking about what they've been doing. On the 23rd of September, transaction volume of Nvir within 24 hours was up as high as around 9.2 million. All right, you can check all this. It's in the public domain online, all right? None of this is hidden. It's all true, okay? They've got loads of different exchange listings, loads and loads, right? Bitmart, LBank, Gate.io, they got Huobi, KuCoin, OKX, some of them that you need to know. If you don't know what they are, you're not in the right world for me, all right? And it's ranked the first as the highest gainer after listing in global exchanges. So all these things I'm telling you, you can see them online, all right? Do your own research. Go through all of these. You will see how insane this is. Now, whether you want to use the play to earn, whether you just want to put this token in your portfolio, it's completely up to you. Now, let's have a look at the whole world roadmap. So going through history of 2020 takes you all the way through to where we are now. Do your own research again, go and have a look. So right now we're at the NHub service, all right, Marketplace Solana blockchain introduction. We've got the pre-sale and the second airdrop. Then we're going to move through, all right, go for the service launch and move through to the beta. In the future, they've got the ground official service launch, the beta for the RPG version, which is going to be mind-blowing, and open world service development. Keep having a look, going all the way through, okay? Super, super interesting. If you still have questions at the end of this, please just go on the FAQs and have a look. Now, guys, let me show you a couple of articles, right? This is on Thursday, the 24th of March, and it's saying NvirWorld's mainnet show promises steps ahead with patent layer 3 technology. We've got a whole lot of vibes going on in here, right? Discussing how incredible it is. All right. Furthermore, we're saying here, if layer 3 technology, which has not been implemented, even in representative Ethereum and Solana, is introduced, remittance and payment service using digital goods can be safely used in emergency situations. That's what they're trying to do. All right. We have another article coming up. All right. This was actually on March 28th. This is Uniswap top mover. NvirWorld accelerates its layer 3 mainnet development. Massive. All right. Uniswap talking about them. This is what I'm telling you. This has got to be in your portfolio. Listen to me. Guys, they are opening in Gangnam, Seoul, South Korea in October 2022. All right, they've got a massive build SM Entertainment, which is actually the company that manages lots of K-pop, things like that. So they're very solicited in the offline world as well, all right? They've got their headquarters. They've got everything set up. Everything I say to you is just incredible, right? They've got 3 floors of exhibition spaces, 2 floors of VIP lounges, things like that. All right, the NFT code holders can actually go there and have a look. You can actually rent office spaces out there, which is super, super cool, all right, and unique. Now, what I want you to know is the links down below. There's going to be a lot of links down below. They get you to all this information, all right? What I want you to do is get in there, have a look at their white paper. All right, have a look at the marketplace, have a good look round, right? I'm going to show you quickly. When I click on Nvir Market, right, and press learn more, initially it starts talking about the gas fees just then. If you click learn more, you can actually come in and have a look at this. I want to show you this before we close this down, all right? So this is what it is like. Look here, it shows you what picks are coming up, right, for what NFTs. You got the donation down below. All at the top, you got the artist events, more, everything like that. It's just really classy and really, really cool, right? I love this. Guys, you got to do this. Before I go to the summary, I'm going to shoot over to their Twitter. Please give them a big follow. Let's go there now. Here we go, guys. Give them a massive follows at NvirWorld. All right. They've got 24.2 thousand followers. Look, getting over 700 views per the video. This is another little trailer, 17-second one, showing you that Gate.io is coming up. If you've watched this since past 4th of October, it's already there, all right? But give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel. I'm going to jump to the summary right now. There you have it, guys. NvirWorld is massive, all right? I hope you loved it. I still can't get over how good the trailer was that I showed you. Please keep watching this video. Keep supporting us, all right? Hit that like button. It helps the algorithm. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. If you want big projects like this, ones that could be the future of the space, then please keep tuning in. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.